morning! Let's go travel in China! Ayun na pala yung mga kasama namin. And guys, we are here now in Border Gate, our meeting place. Yan si Mamshi! Ayan. So very early, our meeting time is start 7 o'clock to 7:15 dapat nandito na kami lahat. Ayan, sila din kasama namin. And then here our meeting place in Border Gate. Ayan na sila. Dumating na sila guys. And then kami na lang late yata. Sino yung tumawag saan? Ay, tumatawag.
Nagpaganda itong...
Good morning po. Ayan.
Dito. Kaya nga nila tumatawag ako eh.
Pipirma. Sino yung tumatawag sa akin?
Natawagan ko eh.
Ay, ayan. Ayan, pipirma. Yung group for visa.
Sino isa?
Wala na.
Blue t-shirt.
Tumakbo pa naman ako.
Video to eh.
Yan, we are ready na papuntang China. Ayan guys, may mga ID na kami.
Walo tayo, walo.
Just put it on your hand. Okay? Yeah, everyone. When we arrive the bus, I will tell you, because the first purpose is the main purpose is to help us to recognize you, because we will separate into 3 teams. Okay, the blue team and the Vietnamese should be the green team. So different team will go into the different bus. Yeah. Oh, you need to selfie.
We still waiting the others.
Si Delia, sa kasi atin.
Bili tayo doon.
Pwede?
Anong number ka ba?
Okay, basta visa masusunod ako.
Ready na ba kayo?
Anong number to? Yan. Visa, ano?
Ayan, let's go!
Hindi pa unahin mo muna sila Estela.
Punta na kami sa immigration.
Dito tayo. Estela, dito daw. Dito. Sino ba ang sinila nila sa China?
Say hi! Okay, let's go travel! We are going to travel tour. 1-day tour in China. Yes. Si Mamshi, we're going up to immigration. Leading to Zhuhai. Welcome to China. Yes, welcome to China. So, ito na pala yung China, guys. Yung Zhuhai. Gongbei Port. Ay, Ma'am Shi, tara na doon. Oh, ayun oh, nagtatawag na sila oh. Then, sasakay kami ng aming shuttle bus. Then, we have 7-Eleven here. Ayan, ang daming magtutour. Take bus.
Magkakasunod. Yan ka kami. Magkakasunod. Five.
Sa likod, sa likod. Yan, di ba? Ganyan lang.
Kami yun. Si Malo.
Ma'am, si. Yes, sakay-sakay na sa bus. 11, 12.
I was obliged to locate the truth.
1 and 2.
Yeah, group leaders, just check your group mate.
16.
Are you Filipino?
Parang mga kinder. Ay, yung visa ko andito.
Now we're leaving. Somebody's
Ay, passport visa naman sinasabi.
we must keep your passport safe. And then you can go back to Macau in the evening. This is very important because if you everybody keep the passport individually, you may lose it any place in China. During the day, the whole day, so we have so many places to visit, and in some places maybe you lose it, and that is a problem for you for going home.